Breaking the wall of greenhouse gas emissions. Fèmi Tankpinou, Falling Walls Lab, Benin.
This is not for a joke. It is not a science fiction demonstration, but it is exactly how you and I will be living just 10 years from today if we don't stop the increase of our greenhouse gas emissions. When you live in a poor or a developing country, greenhouse gas issues are not just something you hear about on TV or in news reports, but you see and experience its consequences daily through the rarity of rains for agriculture, causing a 30% increase in illegal immigration from Africa in 2023 because people couldn't farm. The same year, my country also faced more than 300,000 cases of respiratory diseases due to air pollution. And the only way for us to get out of this trouble is to stop the increase of our greenhouse gas emissions, of which 85%, I said 85%, come from the transport with petrol motorbikes like this, which emit more than 50 million tons of greenhouse gas annually. That is the problem. And what would be better to solve it than using the power of a natural resource abundantly and freely available all over the world, and mainly in Africa, solar energy. Yes, one day of sunlight in my country could power all of Germany for 5 days. So we decided to build on that and find a local solution to solve a global problem by developing this 3-wheel solar tricycle from recycled metal waste. Yeah, locally recycled metal waste. This vehicle emits zero smoke, zero greenhouse gas, and is 100% auto-recharged with solar energy through an integrated solar fiber system on the roof of the vehicles. Each of these vehicles replaces 2 petrol motorbikes. In 2023, we were able to avoid the emission of 400 tons of greenhouse gas using just 8 of these vehicles. And we have the potential today to replace the main polluting transport means in more than 75 countries all over the world and reduce their greenhouse gas emission by 40% over the next 10 years. It's incredible. It's huge. So, before the planet dies, leaving us without the minimum resources to survive, before the temperatures hit, making us feel like in an oven, if it is true that we didn't have the means to neutralize the dangerous effects of the greenhouse gas we produce, at least now we have the means to break the wall of greenhouse gas emissions. Let's make the good choice. Thank you.